Hey, I'm Seth with Land the House. For the past 2 years, my wife and I have used the Canon G7X Mark II cameras for our YouTube channel, and we've just been swapping back and forth between the two batteries that came with our cameras. So quite often, one of us is trying to film a video and the other one is just starting and our batteries are going dead, and it's a real hassle. So finally, I have bought a couple of extra batteries. This is the Beston, I think it's an NB-13L battery pack. So let's open this up and take a look at it. I'm going to charge these, put them in the camera, and see how long they last, and just kind of give you my opinion on this battery pack. Okay, let's open this up and take a look. It does come with a case, so if you're traveling, you could stick the components back in there. It's pretty nice. So it's got the charger that will charge both batteries at the same time, and then it has the two batteries and then the USB charging cable. The batteries, they look just like the battery that comes in your camera, as you would expect. Like I said before, it is the NB-13L battery, 3.6 volt, 1250 milliamp hours. Cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and plug this up to the charger over here and see how well these work. I will probably be keeping this charger out here in the shop during the summer time, and then bring it inside whenever need be in the winter time. I installed this little outlet tower here, and it comes with a couple of USB plugs on it, so I'm just going to use that to plug this up. It's got two little lights, channel 1 and channel 2. So let's go ahead and just plug these up here. Okay, so the label has to be facing down there. Okay, so both the lights came to red, which means it's charging. So far it seems to be working just fine. So I'll come back in a little while when those are charged, and we will put the battery here in the camera, and I will see how well it works. It took about 2 hours, and the batteries are now charged. Both lights are green up here. So let's go ahead and pull one of these out and put it in the camera and see how well it performs today. I swapped over to my cell phone here. Not the best video. So there's the battery that comes with the camera. Let's go ahead and put this one in here. Crank this up here. That works just fine. And it does say full battery on here. It's actually been 2 days and I'm still using the same battery, and I can tell that it is at halfway now, which means this battery is actually lasting longer than the battery that came with the camera, probably because the battery that came with the camera is about 2 to 2.5 years old. So anyway, I'm definitely impressed with these batteries. They charge fast and they work just fine. So anyway, if you're looking for a replacement battery or just adding a battery to your camera for the G7X Mark II, the Beston brand seems to be working really well. So if you want to check this out, I have a link in the description down below to the Amazon page. It's an affiliate link, so I make a small percentage. I didn't get this as a promotion. I just bought it with my own money. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.